Famous economists of all time, Part 2. Famous economists have shaped how we understand markets, policy, and human behavior across centuries. From classical thinkers like Adam Smith and Karl Marx to modern minds like Esther Duflo and Paul Krugman, their ideas continue to influence global economies. These visionaries have laid the foundations for economic theory, growth, and equitable development. 26. David Bruce Aldrich, born 1954. David Aldrich is an American economist known for his research on entrepreneurship, innovation, and economic development. He has highlighted the role of small businesses and knowledge spillovers in regional growth. Aldrich's work has influenced policy on innovation ecosystems. 27. Asli Demirgusi-Kant. Asli Demirgusi-Kant is a Turkish economist renowned for her work on financial systems and access to finance. She has led key global research at the World Bank, including the Global Findex database. Her work focuses on financial inclusion and development economics. 28. Philippe Eun, born 1956. Philippe Eun is a French economist recognized for his work on economic growth and innovation. He co-developed the Schumpeterian growth model, which emphasizes creative destruction. Eun's research influences policy on productivity and education reform. 29. N. Gregory Mankiw, born 1958. N. Gregory Mankiw is an American economist and influential textbook author whose works are widely used in economics education. He served as chairman of the Council of Economic Advisers under President George W. Bush. Mankiw's research spans macroeconomics, monetary policy, and tax theory. 30. James Edward Mead, 1907 to 1995. James Mead was a British economist and Nobel laureate who contributed significantly to the theory of international trade and capital flows. He developed models of trade under different conditions of balance of payments. Mead's work helped shape post-war economic policy. 31. Abhijit Vinayak Banerjee, born 1961. Abhijit Banerjee is an Indian-American economist and co-recipient of the 2019 Nobel Prize in Economics. He is known for his pioneering work using field experiments to address global poverty. Banerjee co-authored Poor Economics and co-founded the J. Pal Research Center. 32. Andrew Michael Spence, born 1943. Michael Spence is an American economist who received the Nobel Prize for his analysis of markets with asymmetric information. He developed the concept of signaling in job markets, showing how education can serve as a signal to employers. His work impacts labor economics and information theory. 33. Alvin Elliot Roth, born 1951. Alvin Roth is an American economist and Nobel laureate known for his work on market design and matching theory. He helped develop algorithms for kidney exchanges and school choice systems. Roth's work applies game theory to real-world problems. 34. Bengt Robert Holmstrom, born 1949. Bengt Holmstrom is a Finnish economist and Nobel laureate recognized for his contributions to contract theory. His research explores how incentives and contracts work in organizations. Holmstrom's theories are widely used in corporate governance and management. 35. Bertel Gotthard Ohlin, 1899 to 1979. Bertel Ohlin was a Swedish economist who won the Nobel Prize for his work on international trade theory. He co-developed the Heckscher-Ohlin model, which explains how countries trade based on factor endowments. Ohlin also served as a political leader in Sweden. 36. John Charles Hassani, 1920 to 2000. John Hassani was a Hungarian-American economist and Nobel laureate known for his work in game theory. He contributed to the analysis of games with incomplete information, enriching economic and political decision-making models. His research laid the groundwork for modern strategic behavior analysis. 37. Dale T. Mortenson, 1939 to 2014. Dale Mortenson was an American economist and Nobel laureate noted for his work on labor economics and search theory. He analyzed how job seekers and employers find matches in the labor market. His theories have influenced unemployment and labor market policy. 38. Daniel Little McFadden, born 1937. Daniel McFadden is an American economist awarded the Nobel Prize for developing methods to analyze discrete choice behavior. His work is essential in transportation, marketing, and public economics. McFadden's models help explain how people make choices among limited options. 39. Douglas Cecil North, 1920–2015. Douglas North was an American economist and Nobel laureate known for his work on institutional economics and economic history. He explored how institutions shape economic performance over time. North's ideas bridged economics with history and political science. 40. Edmund Strother Phelps, born 1933. Edmund Phelps is an American economist and Nobel laureate recognized for his contributions to macroeconomics and the theory of economic policy. He developed the concept of the natural rate of unemployment. Phelps emphasized the importance of innovation and dynamism in economic prosperity. 41. Edward Christian Prescott, 1940–2022. Edward Prescott was an American economist and Nobel laureate known for his work on time consistency and real business cycle theory. He collaborated with Finn Kydland to show how policy expectations influence macroeconomic outcomes. Prescott's research reshaped modern macroeconomic modeling. 42. Eric Stark Maskin, born 1950. Eric Maskin is an American economist and Nobel laureate recognized for his foundational work in mechanism design theory. His research explains how institutions can be structured to produce desired outcomes, even with incomplete information. Maskin's work has applications in auctions, voting, and market regulation. 43. Finn Erling Kydland, born 1943. Finn Kydland is a Norwegian economist and Nobel laureate who co-developed theories on time inconsistency in economic policy and real business cycles. His work emphasized how economic agents' expectations affect policy effectiveness. Kydland has been influential in modern macroeconomic thought. 44. Eugene Francis Farmer, born 1939. Eugene Farmer is an American economist known as the father of modern finance. He developed the efficient market hypothesis, which asserts that asset prices fully reflect all available information. Farmer's research revolutionized investment theory and asset pricing. 45. Gary Stanley Becker, 1930–2014. Gary Becker was an American economist and Nobel laureate who applied economic analysis to human behavior and social issues. He explored topics such as crime, family, education, and discrimination. Becker expanded the boundaries of economic thought into everyday life. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.